8 suspects arrested in connection with the murder of Aweil teacher. The police in northern Bargazal state said 8 suspects have been arrested in connection with the killing of teacher in Aweil East County this week. On Tuesday, teacher Deng Aweil was attacked and killed on his way from Zion Primary School to a nearby village. According to the authorities, the teacher was shot dead in Yar Achut area in Aweil East County by 4 unidentified men. This morning, the state police spokesperson Captain Godakul confirmed the arrest of 8 suspects in connection with the murder. I want to confirm that we are investigating some of the suspects that we call them to equally more about the case of the teachers that was murdered in cold blood in Aweil East County, Malwak said. He spoke to our radio this morning from Aweil town of northern Baragizal. Captain Akol said, the suspects are in police custody. Yes. We have up to now 8 suspects in our custody. We will establish the fact in nearest time to come. Unfortunately, they are still suspects up to now. I can share the name for legal and security purpose. The motive behind the killing is not clear, but police have opened an investigation to establish the fact behind this atrocity. The murder is the second of its kind in Aweil East County. Last year, 5 women were arrested in connection with the killing of fellow women at a water point in Yargwit village.